Hey, are you ready to find out how to make amazing, fluffy, did I say fluffy? Wait, did I say fluffy? Fluffy, gluten-free pancakes. Not only are these gluten-free, but they're also top 8 free. So no wheat, dairy, egg, soy, peanut, tuna, fish, or shellfish, no sesame, and a whole bunch of other free froms. So here we go. Here I've got my all-purpose flour loaded into the bowl. Now, for you R.A.I.S.E members, if you want to see the breakdown of flours and how to make different flavor combos, make sure you're logged in, search the word pancake or waffles, and you'll see a whole lot of flavors you can make, like the raspberry ones, the strawberry ones, the chocolate chip ones, the coffee ones, and just a whole bunch more. But for today, I'm just gonna show you a basic one with an all-purpose flour. Now here I've got our baking powder and our salt, got some sweetener. You'll notice I've got this handy dandy stand mixer here, and yet here I stand with my claw hand. I'm gonna show you guys why. Now, what you can't see behind me is I've got a large non-stick pan heating up on medium heat. It's really important that it heats up all the way before you start, and I'm not very patient. So I like to start it while I'm working so that by the time I'm done with this, that's already ready. So I've got our milk and our vanilla all mixed up. And finally, our flax egg. And you can see those large bubbles forming right now as I speak. Now, the secret to a fluffy pancake, come in real close so you can hear me. The secret is mix it by hand and don't overmix. You see all these large formed bubbles? We want all of them. We're gonna keep them all by gently mixing, not overmixing, and then we're going to start cooking right away. And our result is going to be amazing. So I'll see you at the stovetop in just a moment. So the first thing you're going to do is put down a little bit of your butter or oil. And you're gonna thank me for this later because your family's going to eat these pancakes and they're gonna just say like, oh my goodness, these are the best pancakes ever. And it's this little extra oil, the extra fat, it just goes a really long way. You can tell my pan is nicely heated because of how quickly that butter melted. And I'm just going to use this scooper, and in no measured sizes, because I don't really measure the size of our pancakes, I'm just going to place batter down, just like that. Now, you can see that the bubbles are starting to form. Do not be tempted and flip yet. If we flip right now, we might end up with a bit of a mess. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer for some more bubbles to form, then I'll flip. So it's not that there's a ton more bubbles, but the pancakes are definitely a lot more fluffy. And you can see here that when I put this turner under, oh my goodness, you got, oh, look at that. It's like the dream. And I'm just gonna flip these over. Oh yeah, oh my goodness. Oh, it's so good. So good, cause I got you, bum, 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 bum. You can see I totally made this one too big, but that's okay because fluffy pancakes, they're on the way. Fluffy pancakes, they're on the way. Okay guys, you always want to have a plate handy. Oh my goodness, the fluff is so real. Now, before we cut into these, I'm going to get the next set cooking and do the same thing. Just put down a little bit of your dairy-free butter. You want that to go all over. I find that the more butter I use, the happier the kids are. And then again, I'm going to just do our fluffy pancake batter here. I will make them a tad bit smaller this time. Now, for those of you who want to make like little baby pancakes, you can totally do that. There's a tool called the pancake pen, and you put batter inside and then you squeeze it out. And sometimes that actually makes your life a little bit easier. You just kind of go squeeze, squeeze, and you can squeeze out little amounts. But for this is what I'll be doing. So they're a little bit hot, but look at that fluff. You guys, does it get any better than this? Now, over here, you can see that these pancakes, they're nice, they're beautiful, and they are just about ready for the flip. So I can get these flipped over and just keep going. And that's how easy it is to make amazing top 8 free. And it's okay if it does that sometimes. Top 8 free fluffy pancakes. Oh, I gotta go. I gotta get the kids to sample this. You guys, come sample. Oh, so good. Kid 4, what were you just telling me about these amazing fluffy pancakes?
I really like the edge, like around the pancake, because it's really buttery and crispy, and I love that.
Oh, buttery and crispy around the rim. I told you guys, if you use that butter, everybody will be happy. What'd you think, Kid 3?
These are the best pancakes I've had in a really long time.
Wow. What about you, Kid 2?
I really love these pancakes. They're like perfect.
Really? Oh. There we go. So there you have it, guys. Apparently, really incredibly fluffy. Wait, were they as fluffy as I think they are?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Fluffy pancakes. There you have it. Gluten-free, vegan, top 8 free, easy to make, and a real crowd pleaser. I'll see you guys next time. I just wanted to show you guys this little view where more bubbles have formed. That way you can see what it looks like, and it's a little more brown if you let it sit longer. So if you like this style and it's an extra crispy rim, go ahead and let it sit longer until all the bubbles really form. Hey there, thanks for watching today. If you liked the video, leave us a comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell.